Hello guys, today I've got the HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 5 and I am going to show you the fix for the battery level of the left and right earbuds are different. So actually this issue is quite common on earbuds, so don't worry. At first you need to take both earbuds out of the case like this and check for debris. If you see, now I don't really think that we can see anything, but if you get yourself a flashlight and flash inside, you can see the dirt. If this pins, as you can see, both in the left earbud and right earbud place, if you see here any debris, any dirt, clean it, because it may block the battery level of it may block charging for both earbuds, and your charging may be random. The same as with these pads over here for the pens. Now everything should be working fine. If it doesn't work fine, if you still see different battery levels, you need to hold this button over here, this function button, for 15 seconds to factory reset your earbuds. After the factory reset, everything should be fine. If it's not fine, you need to try to leave them in the charging for at least 3 hours to check. As you can see here, we've got now our factory reset. Let me go back to the charging. Leave them during the charging for 3 hours, maybe 4 hours, to let them charge to 100%. If you see that you have some difference here, you need to check for this earbud which didn't get 100%. You know what I mean. If this is the right one or left one, you need to check for any damage over here, and if it's still nothing worse, you need to contact the device support to have it fixed. Goodbye.